Shawty bad, slim, thick, she might drug, she might fix, and I'm all up in her mix. She be mixing with the wrist, she the plug, she finesse.
So we're back with another tutorial. This time I'm basically using the same things. The only thing that's new that I am using is the Juvia's Place Saharan Blush Palette Volume 2 and the Huda Beauty Warm Sessions Mini Palette. For this tutorial, those are the newest ones I'm using this time around. So here we're starting off. I'm going into that blush palette, taking that coral shade, and I'm going to put that all on my eye basically as my first transition color. For this one, I really want to focus on oranges. I don't know why, but you know, when I think of the sunset, I really think about orange and yellow, but I also wanted to play with other colors and just not base it off of such an orange sunset. So that's why I wanted to add coral. At first I was thinking of adding just orange, but I feel like that would have been played out. That's why I just go on with the coral shade first. So next I'm going into the Huda Beauty Warm Obsessions palette, and I'm placing that darker orange shade in my crease, and I'm going to blend it out so that it can mix in with that coral. I love this little palette. I'm just sad it doesn't have exact shade names because that would be cool to be able to tell you guys. Here I am going in to do my favorite part, which is cutting my crease. As you guys know, I have small eyeballs, so cutting my crease really helps me show you guys all the eyeshadow that I can get on there. I always mess up every tutorial. Like I tell you guys, I'm not a makeup artist, so I do these tutorials because it's fun for me. It helps me practice my makeup. It's not that I'm not trying to teach you guys, but I'm just trying to show you my way. You know, a lot of people think I'm really good at makeup, and you know me, I'm just still perfecting my craft. So yeah, I just cut my crease with that concealer from Ruby Kisses. It's their mineral concealer, and then I go in with a brush to correct it. I always have to go back in and blend. And I also try to put powder on to, you know, make sure that it dries pretty quickly. So now I'm going into the Mario Badescu Cucumber Spray, and I'm spraying it on my brush to prepare it for some shimmer. I'm using Telepathy from one of the Kathleen Lights collections that was with ColourPop. I'm also mixing that with a yellow shimmer shade out of my Morphe 35B palette. So here I go into my inner corners and I start adding a little brown shade just to add some depth to my crease. So now I'm back with foundation and most of my face done. I'm continuing to add that brown in my outer corner, so that I have more depth, and I'm going to blend it out all together with that coral and that orange to make it blend seamlessly. So next I'm taking the Ombre-Z highlighter and just sticking that up under my brow bone for a little brow bone highlight. So now I'm going to go into my under eye area and put the NYX Jumbo eye pencil in milk, and as always I'll do this because white liner opens the eyes up, especially when you have white eyes, and makes your eyes appear to be bigger. So then I'm going to go into the Juvia's Place Magic palette and take this purple shimmer shade. I don't know the name of it off the top of my head, but I love that shade. I think it's so pretty and it gives me unicorn vibes. So I'm going to actually stick that on top of the white liner, which is something I haven't done in a while. And then I'm going to go in with another shade from the Zulu palette and stick that underneath the purple, and then smoke it out into the eyeshadow that's above on the lids. So next I'm taking that color Strobe in the BH Cosmetics Black Light Highlight Palette, and I'm going to put that into my inner corner. I really don't even know why I bought this palette because I never use anything else but this white highlighter in there. It's just like the perfect inner corner shade, and I really love it. So now I'm going into the Ombre-Z highlighter, and I'm going to be highlighting my face with this. It's been a fave lately. It really does remind me of the Becca Opal in a way, but it's more gold than the Becca Opal. So now, which is completely purposeless, I'm lining my lips with this nude liner. You can't even see this stuff. I don't even know why I did this extra step. I don't know. I mean, I can see it a little bit, but it was no purpose. And I'm going to put on a bunch of different nude lipsticks. And it's so crazy. One of the nude lipsticks I'm putting on is actually a nude lipstick I got last year in my BeautyCon box. And the crazy thing about it is I literally just found it like 2 or 3 days ago. So yeah, this is the BeautyCon ColourPop lippy stick that I'm putting on now. I never even knew this was in this box. It's literally been in there for a year. That's crazy. Along with a patch and something else. I never knew it was in there. So now I'm going over my lips with some Coty Airspun powder to mattify it, and I believe I put on another liquid lipstick, or I might put on lip gloss. I'm not too sure. So after I apply this lip gloss shade, we'll be going into the slow-mo. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and as always, comment, rate, and subscribe. I told you things about me. Don't let me down. I'll let you put your arms around me. 'Cause love is a waste of time if you and I don't do this right. Don't let me down, and I'll keep you around. Can I trust in you if I give you myself? You're the first to know, and I've had much to tell. I be getting to the